28th floor, 2807. I think this is the premier 2 queen in New York, New York. All right, right when you come in, you have this little entryway. And then there is a little window. Looks out towards the freeway. No, that's Tropicana, I believe, yeah. And part of the roller coaster. And then this way is the bathroom. 1 sink. It's quite small. But it is open 24/7. It's a shower tub combo with a shower curtain. Let me try to get a better shot overall of the shower bathtub area. Okay, you got a full-length mirror. And you have this crazy wallpaper here. There's a little area with ice bucket. Let's see what's in here. Looks like you get a little fridge. Drawer with your hair dryer, I think. Empty drawer. Little seating area. This is your closet here. Safe. Ironing board, place to hang your clothes, iron. There's like this little nook back here, which is quite interesting, with a window looking out. Same parking garage, part of the roller coaster, at the freeway, part of T-Mobile Arena. Got 2 queen beds. This is the premier 2 queen. If I'm wrong, I'll put that in the description or down below. TV, some more small windows, more drawers, a lamp, little seating area. There's your 2 queen beds. Looks like the luggage rack is right there. Plug in like that. Looks like light switch, USB port, plug in. There's no drawer. And looking out this window, we have Park MGM, T-Mobile. You see Rio in the distance there. Really like their new look with the lights on the outside. It's pretty cool. It's a little fuzzy, but I really like that. All right, so that's the view from somewhat dirty window. You can watch people go on the first drop, hear the screams on the roller coaster right there. So I hope you enjoyed our room tour of New York, New York 2 queen, I believe, premier room. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out and helps us to continue doing videos like this and other videos. If you like this, please give us a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.